Alright, onto the eccentrics then. So these are split because they go in the middle of the crankshaft. So I'm going to make them in 4 separate pieces, well 8 separate pieces. So I'm going to cut this piece out here that you can see. Probably mill it flat, cut out each one, and then cut the smaller side out, and then put them together and then machine them from there. So I'll keep you in the loop. There we are, the 8 halves. You can see one's bigger than the other, because the eccentric obviously. I've milled one side worth of both, and I'll clamp them together, drill through, before drilling the central half. Here we go, 4 ready to turn up. I haven't centre popped the eccentric, but it will literally be in the centre on that line. And you can see M5 cap heads, and this holds for the grub screw that gives the final position once you've set the valves. Yeah, tighten the grub screw in, and that'll be the final setting. So do all 4 in the lathe now, and yeah, I'll show you how they turn out. These eccentrics are 15/64 offset. You can see there the bolts hold them together. Now the way I've done this is I've got this mandrel in the 4-jaw, and I've put a line on it, you can see there, exactly centre line using the lathe. And then on the piece of work there you can see I've got a 90-degree line exactly centred. I've got my dial indicator and I've got my centre. So what I've done is I've centred the dial indicator. So now I know the dial indicator is exactly central. And then I set that. And then on the line exactly is where I set 0 on the clock. So as he comes around, that's where I set. That's where I set it at 0, which is exactly on the line. Hope you can see that. And then when I rotate the eccentric 15/16, which is 2, 3, 4, is exactly on the other side. So I know that that eccentric is exactly set there for the 15/16 cut, and then I can just start cutting them.